Welcome to the Woyu channel. Today, we received a Supra Hex from Bitaxe Miner. It is the highest hash rate solo miner in the Bitaxe Miners series. It boasts a hash rate of 4.2 terahashes per second, with a power consumption of only 90 watts. Let's take a look while it's fresh and hot. After opening it, here's the official package. First, let's take out the main unit. It's a bit tight. This box is packed very tightly. The machine itself looks quite large. It's at least one size bigger than the Bitaxe Gamma 601. This is the black version. I recall there's also a red version. The power cable. When purchasing, you can choose the standard option. This is the adapter. The adapter's specifications are 12 volts, 10 amps, 120 watts, which is more than enough for the 90-watt machine. This is what you get out of the box. It seems this machine doesn't come with a manual. Let's power it up and test it. At first glance, the Supra Hex doesn't seem too large, but when placed next to the 601, it instantly becomes the big brother. Design-wise, it retains Bitaxe Miner's minimalist industrial style. Like all previous models, it's open source and customizable. You can even modify the fan. One detail to note, there are 2 additional heat sinks on the motherboard, which weren't present on older models. You previously had to purchase and attach them yourself. After connecting the miner to power, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and find the Wi-Fi network starting with Bitaxe. Click to connect. Once connected, it will automatically redirect to the backend. After entering the backend, the first field, hostname, is for your miner's name. The second field, Wi-Fi, requires your home Wi-Fi network name and password. After entering the correct network name and password, click Save, then reboot the miner to complete the setup. The miner is now connected to the network. First, ensure your PC and the miner are on the same Wi-Fi network. Then, enter the IP address shown on the miner into your browser to access the miner's settings backend. Under Pool Settings, you can configure your preferences. Let's use ViaBTC as an example. After logging into or registering for ViaBTC, click Mining Pool in the top left corner and switch to your desired cryptocurrency. For BTC, the pool address will appear. Copy it and paste it here. Remember to remove the prefix. Then copy the suffix to the second line. Remove the suffix from the first line, leaving only this section. For ViaBTC, the worker name is your username, not your wallet address. Paste it here. The 001 at the end can be renamed. For example, I'll change it to Woyu13. The password can be anything. For the backup pool, repeat the same steps. Password can also be arbitrary. Click Save. Then restart. Let's check the first option. It has successfully connected to ViaBTC's pool. Wait about 10 to 15 minutes. The dashboard will then display your worker's stats. How to enable solo mode. In the pool's control panel, find Mining Settings. There's a solo mode option here. If you're using PPS Plus or Plans, manually click Change to switch to solo mode. You can only change this once every 24 hours. Once connected to the pool, it will automatically run in solo mode. If BTC's hash rate is too high, you can switch to BCH or eCash. The process is the same. Take eCash as an example. Click on eCash. Here's the pool address. Follow the same steps and paste it in. Now wait 10 to 15 minutes, then check the results. After about 10 minutes, returning to ViaBTC's backend, the hash rate exceeds 4.2 Thors. In terms of performance, Bitaxe miner doesn't exaggerate specs. The official power consumption is 90 watts, but after 15 minutes of stable operation at 4T, it draws around 101 watts. In a typical office environment, noise levels are around 48 decibels. My voice is about 60 to 70 decibels. Like its predecessor, the 601. It's very quiet, perfect for any corner of your home. Regarding cooling, like the 601, it barely generates heat, staying at room temperature. The power supply also stays cool. To summarize, its hash rate meets the official specs, exceeding 4.2 T. No issues here. Power consumption fluctuates around 100 watts. As for noise, it's not a problem. At this level, it can be placed anywhere without causing disturbance. Size-wise, it's twice as large as the 601, or nearly double the size. If you're interested in a solo miner, Supra Hex is an excellent choice. No heat issues with the Supra Hex, and no noise concerns. If you want to fill every corner of your home, it's a fantastic option. Contact Woyu or place your order now. Visit our Woyu official website or join our Telegram group for inquiries. Additionally, join our Woyu Telegram group to get extra coupons for your purchase.